Warping opens up a world of possibilities within Ableton, which clearly sets it apart from all other theater playback programs. Before we look at clip warping, let's ensure that our warp preferences are set to the preferred Ableton preferences, as defined by the PDF sheet supplied from this website. In your preferences, under the Record, Warp, Launch tab, ensure that the loop/warp short samples is set to unwarped. The auto warp long samples is set to off, and that the default warp mode is set to complex. Now, let's select a clip, and in the clip view, turn on warp. Warp handles all files differently. Sometimes we'll luck out and have a clip warp as cleanly as this, where there is only one warp marker whose segment BPM matches the master BPM. This is ideal, and when this happens, the clip will play back at the exact speed it was originally recorded at. Other times when you warp a clip, the first warp marker will show up with a segment BPM different from your master BPM. In this case, right-click on that first warp marker and select Warp X number BPM from here. In this case, it's 120 BPM, as that's what's set in our master BPM. Here's an example of a clip with messy warp markers. Follow the same steps, and it'll clean up your clip. You'll also notice adjusting the segment BPM changes the playback speed of the clip. With the warp algorithm set to complex, you'll also notice that the pitch of the clip doesn't change when you adjust the speed. Within a clip, you'll notice two flags. These are the start and stop flags. We can use them to define what area of a file will actually play back. As I move the flag left and right, you'll notice the flag snaps to the gray vertical lines. This is called Snap to Grid. We can turn this off by de-checking from the Options menu, Snap to Grid, or by using the key command, Command 4. You'll now notice how the flag moves seamlessly to exactly where we need them. We'll now play back a clip with the adjusted start and stop flags. You'll notice how the white area plays, but the area that is grayed out does not. With warping enabled, we can also turn on loop in order to loop clips so that they become elastic in their playback. Here I will loop a phone ringing. You'll notice the end flag no longer applies when loop is turned on. But the start flag can be separated from the loop start. Next, I will copy the ringing clip, paste it into the scene below, and turn off loop. I can then adjust the start and end flags as such. When I launch this second clip, it will interrupt the clip ahead of it and play. This example demonstrates a fast edit done on the fly to correspond with a visual cue of an actor picking up a ringing phone on stage.